好来，乡亲啊，继续来看美国的总统大选，川普甲拜登明仔载要进行最后一场的辩论会，就惊顶一届辩论的闹剧搁来发生，所以主办单位决定，主持人提问了后，要甲对手的麦克甲关掉，双方拢2分钟，未受到干扰的发言的时间。不过，川普批评讲，安尼做法真无公平。啊，那拜登咧有超级的助选员，也就是美国的前总统奥巴马帮伊徛台邮票。
Hello, Philadelphia！
美国民主党的总统候选人拜登伫昨请出民主党上份量的助选人美国前总统奥巴马。
He hasn't shown any interest in doing the work, or helping anybody but himself and his friends, or treating the presidency like a reality show that he can use to get attention.
奥巴马批评现任的总统川普治理国家袂输时拍实景表演，受苦的依然是美国人民。伊佫讲，川普看起来甲中国敢若是死对头，不过实际上唔是安尼。
We know that he continues to do business with China because he's got a secret Chinese bank account. How is that possible? How is that possible?
敢有注意到民主党的造势大会维持严格社交距离，虽然看起来较冷清，不过这是避免传染的上好的办法。
This is a big crowd. This is one hell of a big crowd.
咱若是川普的造势大会，大概是人客人喙暗无几会要挂。川普伫个北卡州批评奥巴马伫4年前嘛是替希拉瑞徛台，结果希拉瑞嘛是输赢。
If Sleepy Joe is elected, he's go to sleep, I guess.
今天拜登爱杜久，川普佫批评美国主流媒体敢若要用疫情吓人。
All you hear is COVID, 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 because they want to scare the hell out of everyone.
依照投资者商业日报 IBD Tip 20个民调的结果，拜登支持度是48.1%，川普的支持度是45.8%，双方愈差愈少，选战最后的时刻无人敢大意。